in the mornings. I love to walk outside and see the sun rise, and I don't take that freedom for granted. I grew up in a very small town in Texas, and my neighbors had a horse, and we made a deal that if I would come feed their horses, I could ride. I had no idea how to ride, but the horse just ran, and it was like I was flying, and it was the ultimate freedom, and I was hooked. I learn from my horses all these tools that they have and how they hone them and they use them and they become these amazing creatures. And to me, that's like being a good criminal defense attorney. I'm going to take these tools, I'm going to perfect them, I'm going to hone them, and I am going to be able to defend my clients.
We adopted 2 children from Colombia. We literally had them in country for 3 months, and we just kind of hit heads. So she went to school and made a claim that I touched her inappropriately. And from that point on, it spiraled out of control. Before we knew it, the kids were gone, and our world was turned absolutely upside down.
Whenever you go through something as horrible as we did, your main focus is on your family. And we had a team that took care of the things we couldn't do well. They took care of us from a legal aspect so we could take care of ourselves. We needed someone outside of the 2 of us to keep us grounded. And I'd like to say that was our family, but it was our attorneys. When you need someone and you need help, I would recommend anybody to reach out to Bogle Law.
I seek justice. I want the truth to come out. When I take a case, I want to bridle that power, that strength, and focus it on my client and on their freedom. If I cannot get results through the state or through the judge, we will go to the people. It is my job to bring the Constitution back into the courtroom. If you are charged with a crime, get help. Get a defense attorney. Don't go at it alone, because you can't fight the system alone. Exercise your rights. If you don't exercise your rights, we lose them. If you need help, stand up and say, I have a constitutional right to a defense attorney, and I'm going to get one. And my defense attorney is going to be my voice, and we together are not going to stop until justice is done. I am the attorney who wakes up at 3 o'clock in the morning thinking about your case. That's just what I do when you're my client. A criminal defense attorney is the only attorney mentioned in our Constitution. I want to be that person that is here to protect you and to help you get your life back.